Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to such a beautiful day. We are on the Venus star point today, which means that Venus and the Sun are conjunct in Capricorn. Did you feel an energy shift? I sure did. It feels so much lighter today than the last couple of days. It feels very possible. It feels kind of infinitely expansive emotionally. And did you notice that it's even a little easier to be in that space of love, to get a higher vantage point above the ego, the unhealthy ego triggers and the need to be right? Well, I thought that I would do a quick card pull for the Venus star point and see what kind of guidance we can get. Yes, victory. It's a great card pull to continue on this theme of what is success. How does it feel when you're in these balanced energies and alignment? Really, when we can sync up with the planetary shifts and changes and completely embody them, releasing yesterday or last week, or the karma or the relationship triggers, and rising above that and getting that higher vantage point where you don't have the need to be right? You're not in that unhealthy ego. You get to be in just a pure state of love and honor whatever it was that was coming up, but know that we can fluctuate and flow. And when we move into these energies, maybe it's the energy that creates the shift in the dynamic or in the connection that's happening between you and someone else, or with you and your work, or whatever that dynamic is. That's the success. So how do we measure success? Do we measure it based on love and the feeling and embodiment of alignment and enlightenment? Or do we measure it on what our external programming has always taught us about how, the more we can produce and the more we can acquire is what equals success? And I'm pretty sure that never really created full and complete happiness and joy within our souls. So this feels really yummy in this Venus star point energies, with Venus and the Sun just doing their thing together and shining on us. So take a few nice, beautiful breaths, bring that light into your heart center, and then expand that light out as you exhale into your communities, into those dynamic connections, into the world today. And let's just really marinate in this yummy energy and integrate it into our next days and the next fluctuations that we move through. Sending you all peace and love today. Mwah.